Hey guys, let's explore the Cozey Flagship store downtown Toronto. Guys, I was literally blown away. That word cozy, it is exactly what the space is. It's all about that coziness. Oh my god, guys, I went into the store and for real, I saw firsthand all of those couches. And if you're looking to get a couch, I suggest that you actually visit the store if possible. Now, that's one reason I loved visiting here. As you can tell, guys, I made my way to the store and literally was I blown away. So, a little backstory, you know how you're actually thinking of doing something like changing your couch, and it's like that whole AI thing all of a sudden, like you just start seeing suggestions on all your social media platforms, and it was always cozy, 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 cozy. Guys, I was literally cozy drunk. And I said to myself, you know what? I am definitely making a trip to this store just to see. And I absolutely couldn't be more grateful that I actually visited the store. So they had different couch options. And what I particularly loved about my visit was the fact that you can actually customize like your living space based off of your like square footage of the apartment, and you can actually select like the sofa material. So that was me checking out different materials and deciding on the one that works the best for me. And I must say that the store attendants are super helpful in actually like putting things together for you to make that amazing decision. And I actually got like the mini brochure just to go check it out for myself.